Bing, boom. Google taking us live. It is the Martin Fowler Scrum. We have Sam and Nico. It's we pretty much just have me and one other in the scrums this week. I guess the Kenyan folks are all really busy with one thing and another. So it is. What's going on? I've just had a very productive local support meeting with Brent and Mariam, and we just kind of reviewed the whole board and sorted a lot of things out. And so that was good. We're also talking about moving the meetings to take place every 2 weeks. We have a new functionality in the site to allow the meetings to be specified as, running every other week. And I'm going to try and do that, and then also make it so that we just did now is people who basically we haven't heard from since the beginning of the previous sprint, the last 2 weeks, will just unassign their tickets to allow new people to come in, because I think we have this general ongoing problem of people the people come and go, there are volunteers. But exactly. There we go. So I'm going to stick that down as bi-weekly and save that there. So before I was this morning, mainly taken up with finances. I think I'm sorting out the finances, but it's getting in the way of me doing coding, and there's too many things. I'm a bit kind of stressed, but I'm calmer now that I sorted the finances out a bit. There's still more to do. Okay, so we've got the deep learning mob coming up. I guess what I mentioned one blocker is we were investigating the node versions thing in the local support meeting. This is for Faith's pull request on local support, and I think I've worked out the critical things we need there. We need the package lock checked in, and we need also the instructions to be updated to say which node version that you are on C9. You can use NVM. We've got deep learning mob coming up, and then it's Thursday. Have we got anything else? I will have put it in the general channel, didn't I? I think that's about the size of it. Oh, I guess the other thing, we had a really good meeting last night with on the NHS wiki thing, and that's also calmed me down, is that we've got the HTTPS certificates renewed, and we kind of
How is the GDPR, the new regulations for the European thing?
Yeah, that's something else that we need to work on. That we've got.
I think the limit is on 25, right?
Yeah, it's 25th of May.
No, May.
25th of May. We've got Praveen. Working on a ticket for website 1 to adjust that. We need to look at it in the context of MediaWiki. I assume that the process of it may just be a question of upgrading to the latest MediaWiki, because Wikipedia and MediaWiki, and everybody's going to have to apply, conform to it. Okay. What's not clear to me is things like we've got on website 1, the fair enough mailing list. We've got the welcome email that we send out when people sign up, and so do we need to get permission to send them the welcome email to let them know that they have signed up?
Maybe you can just check when they are signing up, a little check saying welcome email or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know. True. I mean, we're putting in a little check for do you want to get the newsletter? And it'll be interesting to see what it actually is and how it applies. But So that's definitely something. Although, I'm running an agile workshop next Wednesday, so I won't be able to run the NHS wiki meeting. But maybe we need to have that on a different day next week. Okay, well that's basically me. Yeah. How about for you, Nico? Anything?
For me, I had plans for today because yesterday was kind of off with our projects. So I plan on working on the loads of the readmes, because you told me that it wasn't working on production. So with the replica of the database production. So of the production database. So what I want to do is to pull that database and test it in order to see why it wasn't working that time that you tried. So I will work on that today, and I have to see the NHS videos. So I will do that also.
Cool, good stuff. Yeah, well, that reminds me, on the topic of the of the README update thing. I got feedback from lots of project managers, and they, I think, all love the idea
cool.
Nice. Of this. And I think some of them are like, oh, well, obviously it should be the same. Some of them are saying well, maybe there should be an option for a different thing. I think it might be a good, like, shouldn't be too difficult to add if we just check their repo for the presence of a pitch.md file.
Yeah,
If
sure.
there is a pitch.md file, we put that in, and otherwise we just put the README. And so that just gives us the opportunity to if they've got things in their pitch that they want to keep, then they can save it to there, and
cool. Yeah, sure.
So, but I think everybody
that is something that we are going to do. Like, for example, with the request to the GitHub API, like saying, okay, it doesn't return anything, so I will get the README. Or we are going to have a configuration panel where it says which one you want to use. Or
I think I would like the simplest thing is just to
it has to do that.
Because pretty much every repo is not going to have that file by default. And then so anybody who wants to do something different, like then they can. So I think that's the most flexible approach. But I think they were uniformly very pleased with the idea that they didn't have to
to edit something within
it's basically everybody has to have their README up to get that gets pulled in. So they're very and that was the kind of one of the key things for asking, was to prepare them for the change, and it seems like they're prepared and very happy for it. And so
cool, nice
stuff. So I think that's it. And then also excitingly, Michael got the whole of the automated premium machine learning model deployed via a Docker file onto a fresh instance of Docker on Azure. So that's sort of exciting, and it certainly seems like we could do the same thing with MediaWiki and with various other things. But there we go. So I think that's our Scrum. I guess is there anything else that we need to look at or think about?
No, not that I can think right now. So yeah.
All right. Good stuff. Okay. Well, I guess I'll